Daddy, they have fish there.
Trying to get to a pirate ship. Whoa, that's a slide there, huh? Whoa! See, we're at Kinder City. She's so fast. So I'm gonna put the mat down. You did it. We're going to Casey Diner.
Hello.
And there's the menu. What is that? Oh, I'm gonna start off with a donut. Noodles. Where's my plate?
It's way up.
Oh, it's Velcro. The best restaurant service I ever had. Oh, it's like a McDonald's combo. A hamburger, French fries, milkshake. Wow, that's a big burger. I want a drink.
Here.
Thank you.
Daddy, let's go second air.
We're at the Little All Bank. Can I get 50,000?
Here you go.
Thank you. See, this is where we're at. Now we're at the VitaCare Hospital. My knee right here is bothering me. You want to check my temperature?
55.
Okay. Ears.
Baby, chicken.
Okay.
Daddy.
Oh. Okay, let's go.
I can't go to you, I said. We're here at the... Come on.
Okay, following you.
Daddy, this is a drink. Baby, sit here.
Wow, look at this menu. I love this place already. Wow, you made that for me?
Happy birthday to you.
It's my birthday. Ooh, some tea. Okay, thank you very much. I think I'm gonna have some right now. This is the best chocolate cheesecake I ever had.
Oh, ice cream.
We're at the market.
Okay.
Wow, this place has a lot of vegetables here, so look at all the vegetables that they have here. I'm gonna ring it all up, okay? It's never ending, folks, never ending. Thanks for shopping at All Day. Fifi and Mommy is right there. I'm the driver?
Yeah,
Okay.
I want to go to the S&P.
All right, you got it. Oh, where are you? Whoa. Whoa, that's a big ship. Whoa, you got it? There you go. Wow. Here we go. We're gonna jump. Whoa. Whoa. I'm jumping too.
Oh.
You okay? All right, let's go. Going down the slide. Whoa. Good job. You have a sick patient here. Okay, seems pretty normal. Wow, there's good prices here. $16.44 for flour, 55 for children. 55 pesos, 50 cents for children. Okay, I'll take this one. Can you come home with me?